Welcome to Beyond Baby, your online female fat loss program. We are starting weeks 9 through 12, and I just have to say, it is going to be awesome. I am loving the results and the emails and the coaching calls that we are having together. Every one of our Beyond Fit moms is seeing incredible results. So, in our first phase, weeks 1 through 4, we worked on increasing our metabolism and building the shape we want. In our second phase, weeks 5 through 8, we really worked on taking it up to that next level. In weeks 9 through 12, we're going to finish strong with fat burning and muscle saving workouts. So, click above to find your weeks 9 through 12 training plans, as well as your final phase of your fat burning nutrition plan. Again, it's above. Our plan for the next 12 weeks has almost come to completion. We're finishing strong and we're taking our fat burning to that next level with some quick and efficient fat burning workouts that also spare our metabolism. We worked hard for that shape. We worked hard to build that muscle. So you know that we are doing everything we can to not only burn fat, but also keep our metabolic potential stable. So we have training, nutrition, supplements, and of course the mindset tips for you all here. Everything you need, my own personal plan to lose that baby weight. Whether your baby's 3 months or 3 years, 9 months or 9 years, you know this stuff is working. So stay strong. Let's have some fun. These last 4 weeks, you can do it. Are you ready? Let's go.